Another thing I find with my clients as well is behavior patterns, their thought processes. What impact does it have on their performance at work?
Just some of the lessons I've learned, just general ones. I mean, these are basic ones I found. Most of the stuff I've been doing has been at head office in Pretoria.
And then the other one said, please extend time for coaching sessions.
But it always has sub-goals. And those sub-goals, we pick them up as we are busy talking.
We are saying that we want to ensure that firstly we have a workforce that is truly engaged. Because
I'll read you the first paragraph of this. It says, accurate analysis over 25,000 men and women who had experienced failure disclosed the fact that
quotation reads, it's not whether you get knocked down, it's whether you get up.
You write it down amongst your goals that you need to practice how to follow up, because it's part and parcel of being a manager.